Closet chaos. The struggle is real. We've all been there. You know the feeling when you open your closet door and it feels like you're stepping into a battlefield. You open your closet door and chaos greets you. Clothes are spilling out, accessories are tangled, and you can't even see the back of the closet. Clothes are jammed together, shoes are a jumbled mess, and you can't find anything. Frustrating, right? It's like searching for a needle in a haystack every single day. It's a daily struggle to find an outfit. You end up wearing the same few pieces over and over because finding anything else is just too much hassle. Who has time for this? Mornings are already rushed, and the last thing you need is to waste precious minutes battling your closet. A messy closet can really ruin your morning. It sets a negative tone for the day, making you feel stressed and overwhelmed before you've even left the house. It steals your time and your peace of mind. You deserve to start your day with a sense of calm and order, not frustration and chaos. You deserve better than a daily battle with your wardrobe. Imagine opening your closet and finding exactly what you need effortlessly. Imagine a different scenario, a calm and organized space that makes you happy, a place where everything has its place and you can see all your options at a glance. It's time to say goodbye to the chaos and hello to a closet that sparks joy. With a little effort, you can transform your closet into a space that brings you peace and happiness. Let's transform your closet and, in turn, transform your life. A well-organized closet is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that supports your daily routine and enhances your overall well-being. An organized closet, your life changer. Imagine this. You open your closet door and everything is beautifully arranged. You can find exactly what you need in seconds. Imagine the stress relief. This is the power of an organized closet. An organized closet saves you time and energy. No more frantic searching. It also reduces stress and brings peace to your mornings. When your closet is in order, your mind feels more at ease. But the benefits go beyond practicality. A well-organized closet can actually boost your confidence and creativity. You can easily see your options, experiment with styles, and feel amazing in what you wear. Space issues, the closet culprits. So why are closets so often messy? One major issue is lack of space. Small closets can feel limiting, but don't worry, we can fix that. Another common problem is simply having too much stuff. It's time to declutter. Ineffective storage is another major culprit. Wire hangers, overflowing shelves, and a lack of bins can lead to chaos. Don't worry, we'll find the perfect storage solutions for your needs. The good news is that these problems are all solvable. With a little planning and effort, you can transform your closet into an organized haven. Declutter and conquer. Time to purge. It's a journey towards a more organized and peaceful life. The first step to an organized closet is decluttering. This means taking a hard look at everything you own. It's time to let go of items you don't wear, don't love, or don't fit. Think about how each piece makes you feel. This can be tough, but trust me, it's liberating. You'll feel a weight lifted off your shoulders. A good rule of thumb, if you haven't worn it in a year, it's probably time to say goodbye. Be honest with yourself. Start by taking everything out of your closet. Yes, everything. This might seem overwhelming, but it's a crucial step. This will help you see what you have and make decisions. Lay everything out so you can evaluate each item. Create 3 piles: keep, donate, and trash. Be honest with yourself. Ask if each item serves a purpose or brings you joy. If it doesn't spark joy, let it go. Holding on to items that don't make you happy only clutters your space and mind. Remember, decluttering isn't about deprivation. It's about making room for the things that truly matter to you. It's about making space for the things you truly love and wear. Notice the transformation and how much more inviting your space feels. A streamlined wardrobe will make you feel lighter and more organized. You'll find it easier to get dressed and feel more confident in your choices. Embrace the process and enjoy the newfound clarity and peace that comes with a decluttered space. Your mind and home will thank you. Section 5. Categorize and Conquer, a place for everything. Now that you've decluttered, it's time to categorize. Group similar items together. For example, keep all your pants together, all your shirts together, and so on. This will make it so much easier to find what you need. Within each category, you can further organize by color. This creates a visually appealing and easy-to-navigate closet. You can also organize by season. Store out-of-season items in bins on higher shelves. The key is to create a system that works for you and your wardrobe. Experiment with different categories and arrangements until you find the perfect fit. Section 6. Storage solutions. Maximize your space. The right storage solutions are essential for a well-organized closet. Invest in matching hangers. Velvet hangers are slim and prevent clothes from slipping, maximizing space. Use clear storage bins to store out-of-season items or accessories. Shelving is your best friend. Add extra shelves to maximize vertical space. You can use shelf dividers to keep stacks neat and organized. Don't forget about the back of the door. Over-the-door organizers are great for shoes, scarves, or accessories. Remember, every inch counts. Utilize all available space to create a functional and efficient closet. Section 7. The Hanging Wonder, my secret weapon. Now for my favorite part, a unique storage solution that will change the way you organize. Introducing the double hang. Yes, it's as simple as it sounds, but it's a game changer. By installing a second rod below your existing one, you instantly double your hanging space. This is perfect for shorter items like shirts, skirts, or folded pants. It frees up so much space and makes everything easier to see. Trust me, the double hang is a small change with a huge impact. Don't be afraid to get creative with your storage solutions. Think outside the box and find what works best for your space and your wardrobe. Section 8. Maintaining order. Keep the chaos at bay. Congratulations. Your closet is now an organized haven. But the journey doesn't end there. Maintenance is key to preventing the chaos from returning. Make it a habit to put clothes away immediately. Don't let them pile up on a chair. Try the one in, one out rule. For every new item you bring into your closet, donate or discard an older item. This will prevent your closet from becoming overcrowded again. Regularly reassess your wardrobe. At the start of each season, go through your clothes and donate anything you no longer wear or love. Remember, an organized closet is an ongoing process. Section 9. Embrace the transformation, your closet, your sanctuary. Transforming your closet is about more than just organization. It's about creating a space that truly reflects who you are and what you love. It's about creating a space that brings you joy and peace of mind. A place where you can start and end your day with a sense of tranquility. A well-organized closet can actually improve your overall well-being. It can reduce stress and make your daily routine smoother and more enjoyable. Imagine starting each day feeling calm, confident, and in control. Knowing exactly where everything is can save you time and energy. Your closet should be a reflection of your personal style and a source of inspiration. It should be a place that motivates you to stay organized and express your creativity. So have fun with it. Experiment with different organizational tools and decor to make it uniquely yours. Add personal touches like decorative boxes, framed photos, or a colorful rug. These elements can make your closet feel more inviting and personalized. Make it a space that you love to spend time in. Whether it's choosing your outfit for the day or simply admiring your organized space, it should bring you joy. Remember, your closet is your sanctuary. It's a place where you can retreat and find a moment of peace amidst the chaos of daily life. Treat it with care and attention, and it will reward you with a sense of calm and order. A well-maintained closet can be a cornerstone of a well-balanced life. Section 10. Share your success, inspire others. You've done it. You've conquered the closet chaos and created an organized oasis. Now share your success and inspire others to do the same. Take before and after photos to track your progress and share your tips with friends and family. You can even share your journey on social media using the hashtag #OrganizedClosetChallenge. Let's create a movement of organized and empowered individuals, one closet at a time. Remember, an organized life starts with an organized closet. So what are you waiting for? Let's get organized.